So no points there, but Suits, what would you like?
We would love the Twisted Flax, please.
The Twisted Flax. These are going to be picture clues. What do they have in common? Here's the first.
OK, right. Next one, please. And the next one, please. OK, next one, please.
2 seconds.
Yes. We think these might be slang for policemen.
They are slang terms for police.
Yeah, well done.
What are we looking at?
We're looking at a copper, or copper. We're looking at a PC. We're looking at a carrot peeler.
Well, just peeler.
Yeah.
Peeler.
And why,
Right, okay, fair enough.
why are the police called peelers?
Because their eyes are peeled?
Well, no, I mean, one hopes their eyes are peeled, but no, it's after Robert Peel.
Oh, of course.
Exactly. So PC, and the first one?
We're not sure who that gent is.
You don't know that gent?
Sorry.
Who is that?
Bobby Seagull.
It's Bobby Seagull, exactly, out of Monkman and Seagull. Yes, that's exactly right. Bobby, PC, peeler, copper, all slang terms for the police.